Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Nested if chains evaluate conditions sequentially and return the first true result. In Excel, a nested if looks like equals if, A190, A if A180, B if A170, CF. That structure checks each condition one by one and stops at the first true. It is useful when fallback values depend on earlier failures. IFS evaluates multiple conditions without nesting and returns the first true result. IFS syntax is equals IFS. A190, A, A180, B, A170, C, true, F, and returns true only when all listed conditions are true. For example, equals if and A1 greater or equals 60, B1 greater or equals 70, pass-fail requires both scores to meet thresholds, or returns true when any listed condition is true. Use equals if or A190, B190, high, normal to flag either high score. Combine and or inside IF or IFS for complex multi-condition logic. Nesting and slash or keeps each logical grouping explicit and avoids deeply nested IF chains that are hard to audit for errors. Switch matches one expression against multiple values and returns the corresponding result. Example, equals switch, A1, red, 1, green, 2, blue, 3, 0, compares A1 to literals and returns the matched code. Choose selects a value by index position, where index 1 returns the first value. Use equals choose, B1, north, east, south, west, when B1 is 1 to 4. Prefer IFS or switch for readability and tests. Use choose for numeric index mapping. Also validate inputs with isNumber or isText to avoid hash value errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.